getting distracted by this face. You want to play, don't you? It's not all lovely places every night, folks. Got that motorway there. This place really smells like poo. But it's alright, I got David Attenborough. Right, so it's 2 in the morning. There's a massive rumbling sound going on. There's a big freaking ship going past. Why the ship's forsaken me? Oh wow. It's a ship train. 1, 2, 3, there's 4 barges being towed there. Overnight it's just rained torrentially and now we're a bit stuck. You're soaking wet, mate. Ugh. Oh. In my infinite wisdom, I come a slightly different way back and I can't find where I parked the van. This forest is so vast, it's really hard to see through. I've hid it really well. I always do this. Wander off, no plan, lose my van, get lost. I just thought I'd learned by now. Come here. Here, what's this? Find the van. Find the van. Ooh. Find the van. It's worth a shot, wasn't it? Right, I've come back to the water so I can see if I can see it. You're a bit stuck, mate. What are you going to do now? Hang on. Yeah, go on, up you go. It is looking familiar actually. There it is. There it is. Ooh. This orange crap terrain on the floor, it's like clay. Keeps getting stuck on my shoes, my boots, the tyres. It's a nightmare. Just found this sunken boat. What are we saying? Do you reckon the van could pull it out? Might be able to repair it and take it over to that island over there. I'll take him swimming once and that's it. He's a water dog now. At the moment, making my way to the chapel on the rock, which is miles up in the air. I picked the wrong footwear for this, but them views. Oh, we made it, mate. I'm knackered. The weather's just turned. It was lovely and clear when I set off. I was peeing it down. We just got drenched. Oh, lads, it's soaked. I am soaked. Shorts and flip-flops weren't a good idea. That's where we just were. Oh, God damn it. It's probably hard to recognise what this is or was. It's the cap of my chimney, again. I don't know if I can repair it this time. I'll give it a go. Yeah, the chimney cap's gone away though, because I'm taking this place in. It is blowing my goddamn mind. It's out of this world. There you go. Straight out of a Tim Burton movie. These two have come detached. They were like tacked on. Glue isn't going to work, obviously, or solder. Any ideas? Just had to do an emergency pull over because I could smell burning really bad. Fortunately, it's just the foam that's come off this cap touching the exhaust. Proof you need a CO2 detector. There's something wrong with my shower, I think. Been doing my dishes and it set that off. Well, I found the problem. As I come in the other day, I must have hit a tree and this was wedged in the flue. Close call, I guess. At this rate, I'm going to run out of money because he keeps losing brand new toys that I bought 3 hours ago. It's gone. He just takes them out of the van and leaves them. The main reason I bought the toys today was because yesterday he took his towel outside and left it in the downpour, and now it's soaked and it stinks. I think I'll come back here and stay the night once I've done today's adventure and abandoned Sanitarium. I took a wrong turn and I've just spent the last 4 hours trying to get out, and then eventually I had to go and find help. There's only 2 houses in the whole area, and luckily they knew each other. One was a lovely B&B whose owners called the other house, which was the farmer, and he brought his tractor and towed me out. I'm currently being towed backwards. What a foolish move this was. But the only way back is the way I came, which is not easy in itself. The van's been completely battered today. I saw the route and I thought, well, this isn't right, clearly. And then I don't know why, I just went with it again. And this time it really did not go well. It did not pay off. We're stuck on this. Oh shit, we're sliding. Still sliding. Oh, okay. That'd be quite cool if it hadn't been the fact I just shit my pants. Yeah, I've done some damage today. What a colossal dickhead. Oh shit. We're on 3 wheels then. Oh, there's the farmhouse. We're in the clear. Weirdest thing is as well, when I woke up today, I wanted to stay where I was and I couldn't. Something just come into my head and I said, something's going to go wrong today. I don't know what just happened today. I got up at 8 o'clock, fed the dog, left the door ajar as I always do, middle of nowhere. Crawled back into bed for 5 minutes and now it's 2:10. It's a bit cold and horrible today. But the views are still impressive. Oh, shorts are a bad move. Oh, matey. Jump. No, don't fuss me, just play. Alright. Suppose I owe it to him. Oh. Stay. Oh, we've got another tick. Come on. It's always a nightmare with these on Lance because one is long hair and two, he constantly moves. Stay! But there it is. There's the tweeze. I did have it until Lance, in all of his wisdom, jumped up, knocked my hand and ran outside. So it's on my floor somewhere now and I can't bloody see it. This is supposed to be my lazy day and I'm looking for a parasite on the floor. I can't see it, so I'm going to sweep the affected zone with this. Escape this, you little bitch. You just love it, don't you? You love getting soaking wet, so I have to deal with it. That's it, just drag your belly over the floor. I'll sort that out. And the back, there you go. Get it all over. Okay, I'm seriously freaked out now. A minute ago I could hear like really loud moaning, like just booming across the mountains. So I've come down to where I could hear it. I got to this old well and it stopped. I'm gonna leave. What the hell is he doing? You digging again? Oh, the family's gonna hate you when we go home. I decided to do a hike today. So far, it's been all this. Hello.